We hear a lot these days about continuous improvement, customer value, and even performing with excellence. And amongst all these buzzwords, is there an easier and simpler way to understand how to improve the work that we do? Well, in fact, there is, and it is as easy as plan, do, check, and adjust, also known as PDCA for short. And in fact, it is the base process upon which a business runs on. Well, how, you might ask? Well, let's start off with Bob. And Bob's job is to drill holes, more specifically, 1/4-inch holes. The first thing Bob has to do is Bob has to think about how he's going to drill his holes, where he's going to do it, what tools he'll need. This is the planning stage. Next, Bob has to actually do the work, drill the hole. This is the do stage. Next, Bob has to measure his hole, make sure it's not lopsided and perfectly circular. That's a 1/4 inch. This is the check stage. And finally, Bob can determine that either A, he made a good usable 1/4 inch hole, or he might have messed up and maybe made an 1/8 inch hole, and now he's got to redo his work. This is the adjustment stage. So as you can see, PDCA is great for something like manual labor, but what about something else in a business like finances? Well, let's say our plan for finances is that we plan to make 10% profit. So we do the work, we check our work, and when we check our work, we find that we actually are only making 7% profit. So now we know that our adjustment needs to be is that we need to make 3% more profit. Well, how do we do this, you might ask? Well, we have to look at the factors that are affecting our profit. For example, efficiency. So let's say our plan for efficiency is to be 95% efficient. So we do the work, we check our work, and when we check our work, we find that we're actually only 85% efficient. So now we know that our adjustment needs to be is that we need to be 10% more efficient. So in order to be more efficient, we have to look at the factors affecting it, like how we drill our holes, for example. So let's say our plan for drilling our holes is that out of every 10 holes, 9 of them are going to be good, usable 1/4 inch holes. So we do the work, and we check our work, and when we check our work, we find that actually only 8 out of those 10 holes are good, usable 1/4 inch holes. So now we know that our adjustment needs to be is that out of every 10 holes, we need to make one more good, usable 1/4 inch hole. So as you can see, if we fix this, this will fix our efficiency problem. And when we fix the efficiency problem, we will in turn fix our financial problem. So as you can see, PDCA is the fundamental cycle that runs a business through many loops. It is an easy way to improve the work we do. We thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.